Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rusdi, and today I will demonstrate my second practicum for um, com. And let's get into the first question. The first question asks to document the result of the subnet grouping that has been created. So yeah, this is the image that I made for the subnet. So this one is for subnet 1, this is subnet 2, this is subnet 3, this is subnet 4, and then this is subnet 5, subnet 6, and the last is subnet 7. Okay, and yeah, let's move on into the second subnet. Oh yeah, disclaimer. Before I make this record, I already set up all the DHCP server also with the DHCP relay, and yeah, and so and oh yeah, for if some wondering how it can be defined by subnet 3, it can be seen on the configure, and yeah, this one's for it is one. It's a for subnet 3, 3.1. This one right here, and then for as we can see, Black Panther is for subnet 3 and subnet 4, right? So for the ATH1 it's for subnet 3, that's why the address is 0.3. So basically how we deploy the IP is prefix IP dot subnet IP and then whatever. And then for the ATH2, it's say 0.4 because yeah, it's say for subnet 4. Okay, for example, this one is for subnet 7, right? So the ATH7 it should be dot 0.7. Let's see in the configure. Okay, on the ATH1, say this is my prefix IP, and then this is the for the subnet. Okay, that's how we declare the how we define the subnet. And then we can move on to the second question. Configure routing so that each node can communicate with each other, ensure each other can forward packets, blah 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 blah. And this one specifically wants to from Falcon into Spider-Man and Doctor Strange into the Scarlet Witch. So basically, before we can ping for each client, it needs to be have their own IP. For example, uh, I already answered it on my explanation. Yeah, we need to set up many things from the using the HTTP server first, and then the HTTP relay, and then make sure all the clients have their own IP. So that's uh, so each client can be ping to another client. So for example, this one is Spider-Man. Okay, we got the IP, this one right, 7.661, and we go to ping, sorry, 7.61. Okay, okay, yeah, it's already ping from the Falcon to the Spider-Man. Okay, for the second, it's a 1-2 from the Doctor Strange ping into Scarlet Witch. So we check out the Scarlet Witch IP. Okay, 5.40 from Doctor Strange. Oh boy. Okay, it's already pinged from the Doctor Strange into the Scarlet Witch. So we successful for the second question. And then we move on into the third question. Configure all nodes connect to the internet. Included test results by pinging Google from the Falcon, Captain America, Spider-Man, and Thor nodes. Okay, so basically for this one, um, before we start, actually, all the nodes cannot be pinged into Google because the one that what's called connect to the net is just Iron Man, right? And we're setting up from also actually we can see on the module JNS from the IP tables. Wait, hold on. Okay, here this one. Yeah, so basically, I'm not recording this because yeah, I already set it up before I record this, and yeah, we just need to set it up from using IP tables in the Iron Man, and then after we get the what's called IP for example, I will open the configure. This one. This one is for the internet access. So name server for the how I connect the internet is using this IP 192, and this IP is uh, muncul after I set it up from the IP tables. Okay, it's also same with the another DHCP relay. Eh, yeah, this one, and we just need to port it on the gateway because um, oh yeah, I will also explain the gateway. So basically, if some client wants to send their packets from the Falcon, for example, into the Spider-Man, Spider-Man is on subnet number 7, right? And would be sent into the Black Panther, which it's the HCP relay, and then the Black Panther is gonna be sent into the Iron Man. But how the Iron Man know? Uh, Oh, so okay, the Black Panther is gonna be sent into the Iron Man. That's why there is the gateway. The gateway is ATH1 for the Black Panther, and then the gateway for the Black Widow is ATH2. And the Iron Man, how the Iron Man know where is the subnet 7, right? And we use the IP route, for example. Okay. This one is IP route. So basically, if we want to send into the subnet number 5, for example, so we we set it up IP route for the subnet number 5 5.0. That means the subnet number 5 via uh, subnet this IP refers to Black Widow. So so the Iron Man know if you want to send the package into the subnet number 5, it will be sent into the Black Widow first. Yeah, that's all the about the IP router. And oh, sorry, maybe this one is kind of out of topic, but okay. We move on into the third question. Oh, Captain America. So we gonna test into. Okay, this already came in the Google for the Captain America. And then Spider-Man. Okay, it's also pink from the Google. So, uh, Spider-Man, Captain America, oh yeah, Falcon. Oh, why I open it twice? Okay, it's already also can link to the Google, which means there can access the internet. And the last is Tor. so Google also can ping into the Google. Okay, we successful the number 3. Move on into the fourth question. Give Falcon IP address range 3.20 into 3 until 4.35. So this one is why we should same as the first question, which means uh, sorry, which means subnet 3, Falcon is on subnet 3, Dog is on subnet 4, and Hook is on subnet 6. And how we declare that Falcon is gonna be in the range of that IP, right? Right. So we're setting up on the dhp.conf, and as we can see right here, I already set it up for example for the Falcon. So for the subnet number 3, the range IP is gonna be 3.20 until 3.25, right? Okay. Wait, I think there's some typo between Indonesian and English, but okay lah. And then for the hub I, which means it's on the fourth subnet, it's gonna be ranged from the 4.30 until 4.35. And then for the hook, which means on the hook is on subnet 5. Eh, on the subnet number 6. Subnet 6 from 6.50 until 6.55. Okay. And then maybe I will, because I will explain all the codes for the HTTP.conf, and then after that we're gonna be trying. And then for the Scarluch and Tor, which mean on the subnet number 5, it's say uh 5 5 what 5 5.40 until 5.45, and then 5.100 until 5.105. And so this, it says gonna be, it can be Scarlet and Tor on the same range, or it can be on a different range, but it also can be on the same range. For example, Scarlet Witch got a 5.41, and the Tor and the yeah and the Tor got the IP 5.42, for example. It can be also 5.41 for the Scarlet Witch, and it can be 5.101 for the top. Moving into the sixth question, it say to Spider-Man and Doctor Strange, 7.60 until 7.65, and then 7.110 until 7.115. So basically it's gonna be same. Wait, hold on. Maybe I forgot to add the second range. Uh, oh, sorry. Uh, Spider-Man is on subnet number 7, right? Yeah, it's already true. It's already correct. So yeah, this one is for subnet number 7. It's already correct. And then we gonna be check from the subnet number 3. It's gonna be have range 30.20 until 30.25. Okay, so it have 3.20 for the Falcon, and then Hawkeye is from 4.30 until 4.35. Hmm. I will refresh it. So yeah, let's say 4.30, and then for the book, it's on the six subnet, right? And the IP is on the range 50 until 55. Yeah, it have 6.50. Um, okay, so we move on into the fifth question. We check on the Scarlet and Tor. Yeah, it got the 5.41. Then for the Scarlet Witch, it got 5.4. That's all. And then move on to the sixth question. Spider-Man Doctor Strange. Okay, it's already correct between 60 and 61. Okay, it's also correct for the Doctor Strange. It have 7.60. Okay, for the se number 7, it's actually we set it up for the time. It's set it up on the server, the ACP server Captain America. Um, so on this one, is default list time is 120, and the max list time is 600. Yeah, that's all. And the same as for the edge switch. For switch number two, it says it means on the subnet number 4, 5, 5 minutes. So it means 300 seconds. And the max is the switch number 5, which mean on division subnet number 7. Yeah, 2 minutes. All right, 10 minutes. Oh, 1 minute default. Oh, I get. Oh, sorry. This should be 100 seconds. Um, I think there's some different question between the. Okay. Anyway, it's gonna keep change the 3600 dikali 2 1200. Hmm, 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 hmm. Okay. For the switch number 1, which means on the subnet number 3, 2 minutes, and then 100 minutes. Okay, it's correct, it's already correct. And switch number 3, which means on the subnet number 5, 2 minutes. Oh, sorry. Already correct for this one. You don't need to change this one actually. Okay. Switch number 5 is for subnet number 7, right? Oh yeah, it's already correct though. Okay, that's all. I will start. Yeah, list of time obtained from this server. List time 300. Yeah, just for the one example. So for example, for this subnet. Then the list of time is to 250, 275. Okay, that's all for the number 7, and we move on into the 8th question, where all the for the Hawkeye, Thor, and Spider-Man, they want to get the status IP. So we just need to edit from the gcpd.conf, and I already uh I already prepared for the IP for the fixed address. So this one internet it can be checked on the edge client with using IPA. So we can see the hardware internet, and then we can choose the fixed address um terus sesuai dari each subnet. Yeah, I think that's all I guess for what I can explain for from this one. Okay, we want to check for example from the Spider-Man. So actually we already know the IP was already changed into the 7.5, but it also we can check it again. It says 75. We can go into the Spider-Man Thor. Okay, it's already changed to 5.5. And the last one is Hawkeye. Okay, it's already changed to into the 4.5. And for the number 9, it's gonna be have I need some setup, so I will pause the recording. Right. Okay. Already setting up for the DHCP.conf for the Captain America, and for the question number 9, sorry, create DHCP file over configuration with under folder as the backup DHCP server for the America. So basically we just need to change uh, for the subnet, this one failover here, failover range on from yeah, we just setting up from this one, and then okay, also same with the all the subnet, also same as with the Windows Soldier. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that we're setting up the Captain America. It's for the primary, right? So this one is, it's a primary. Um, and for the Windows Soldier, sorry. Okay. And for this one, it's a for the secondary, and we're gonna be a check for the each client is there have their own IP. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry for the cut because before the client does not have the IP address. So yeah, basically all the this one is for the IP address for the Falcon and also for the OI should be also same. My God, yeah, it's gonna be 4.5, and I think that's all for the demo for this practicum. And sorry if there many something that not clearly or something, and also and the cut, maybe Master will can tell me personally which one that I need to work on them. Yeah, okay, thank you, Mas. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.